President Biden is fleshing out one of his many goals for his first 100 days, reopening school systems around the country. An executive order signed Thursday directs government departments to provide guidance on safely returning to in-person learning. Joris Ray is the superintendent for the Shelby County School System in Memphis, Tennessee. Superintendent Ray, good to see you.
Good afternoon.
So yours is one of the school systems that this guidance would affect. What's your reaction to what you're seeing from this new administration? Is this, a promise, a goal that can be delivered on?
We're excited that there is going to be a national strategy. And one thing I'm proud of is that it's a goal and not a targeted fixed date. When you have a targeted fixed date and the numbers are still spiraling out of control as it is here, it makes it very difficult. For instance, today we had over 537 new cases right here in Memphis. And what I'm excited about is that the president is prioritizing schools, keeping schools first, and we're going to get funding to do it. Our goal is always wanted to be back in the classrooms when it's safe.
Yeah. So, and so you say, that the goal is nice and all predicated on safety, but how do you get there? I mean, what is needed? What kind of support from the federal government is needed for, say, your school district in order to meet that goal safely?
Well, first of all, prioritize teacher vaccinations. If our teachers are vaccinated, and if we had a statewide mask mandate, it would help out tremendously. For instance, our cases jumped more than 11,000 in one day. Tennessee was cited as one of the worst in the world for coronavirus cases. So at the end of the day, it's about keeping our students and staff safe. Our students stay in multi-generational homes. Some don't have health care. And as superintendent and working with a great school board, we've always prioritized safety, but hey, we do want our children back in school when it's safe.
Yeah, so what are your worries about the many kids in your school district who are trying to remote learn? They can't be in school, and you talk about the multi-generational households, and perhaps all households don't have the infrastructure in place in order to have real remote learning via computer. And I mean, what are your concerns now about the many children who haven't been able to get the same kind of education in the last now year?
Virtual learning isn't perfect, but it's not broken. We're so happy right here in Memphis-Shelby County. We prioritize our students. We provided 95,000 digital devices and hotspots. We garner resources to give students headsets. When surveying our families and employees about the return of in-person learning, we had 7% of our parents opted out their students, and they wanted to remain virtual, and over 80% of our teachers chose to continue teaching virtually. So my teachers are on the job. I invite anyone to come visit. I visit classrooms every day virtually, and our teachers are doing a magnificent job. Yes, there are challenges, but our students are overcomers, and our teachers are the best in the nation.
I love the optimism. All right, Shelby County School Superintendent Joris Ray, thank you so much and best of luck.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
And